Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Living with Karen. In this episode, there's quite a bit of stuff that's going on. Now, we had just finished, probably it's been a week ago since we worked on the fence and everything. We replaced the fence in the backyard, completely replaced it because they had vines growing through it and all that. So when we did that, some things had to be let go. I mean, the house inside, and you'll see what I mean here in a little bit, and right here. And the house had to be kind of let go. The front yard was kind of let go as we concentrated more on the fence removal, rebuilding a new fence, all that stuff. But anyway, so I needed to catch up on some household work. Did a little bit of organization, cleaned up in my kitchen, just those type of things. So anyway, I hope this kind of video gives you some motivation and inspiration to get outside as well as inside too. And let me tell you guys, when you spend time outside, it really gives you a new perspective because that got me some vitamin D. I do take supplements, vitamin supplements or whatnot and everything like that. But when you're actually outside working and you're in the sun, oh my gosh, it feels so good. And let me tell you, working on the side of the house. Now, this is sort of like my neighbor's side of the house that I'm working on right there. And basically, the reason why I'm working on it is number one, okay. As you can see, that's our house right there. And so when we work on our yard and mow it and everything like that, that side was kind of messed up. But okay, so what happened is the neighbors went in with us on the cost of the fence and all that. So we didn't have to pay for it ourselves. They helped us out with paying for that and all that stuff, and including the labor and all that stuff. So while we did that and everything like that, after we did all that, that's when I started doing the yard work and everything. And I was thinking to myself, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of the yard or whatnot and all that stuff. So that's what I did and everything. Well, the next, I think on a Saturday or something like that, I went to my mom's house because she had a friend that passed away, and so I went to the memorial with her. So I was gone all day Saturday. Well, when I came back home that Saturday evening, I noticed that the neighbor had cut, I call it a crepe myrtle tree. It may not be a crepe myrtle tree, but that's what I call it. It's right there at the front. And you saw it in the beginning when I was kind of working on it and stuff like that. But anyway, and in this part right here, I'm just kind of showing the mess of the rooms that need to be cleaned up and stuff. But anyway, so back to, when I got home Saturday evening, it's probably around 6:30ish or so, I saw that they had kind of clipped back their, crepe myrtle tree and all that stuff. So I was like, you know what, I want to clean it up a little bit more to make it look extra nice. So that's what I was doing in this video right here. So anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to kind of play music for the rest of the time and everything. And make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you do subscribe because you never know what we're going to be up to next, because we do have some plans. We do have something that we want to do in the house, and I'm not going to say what it is. It was full of surprise, but we do have a little bit of a project that we're thinking about doing here pretty soon. But it's just like I said, we'll have to see how it goes. But anyway, if you ever want to know what we're up to, hit that subscribe button, because anytime I post a video or post something on the community tab page or whatnot, you'll get an alert showing that I did post. So that's how you find out when something is going on the channel. So make sure you do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, because if you don't do that, then you won't get all the alerts and notifications and stuff. All right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time in the next episode. All right. Bye, guys.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch